What's good, YouTube? The Car Boy is back here with another legendary video, man. Y'all know if I'm bringing y'all video, then I got a great upload for y'all, man. I got a new pickup. But before we get into that video, make sure y'all go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. Cause I told y'all, man, we is not stopping on these uploads, man. Like, come on, I'm still uploading. Even though I may miss 29 to 30 days, a month, somewhere in there, hey, I'm still uploading, man. Give me a break, give me a break. But yeah, the reason why I haven't been uploading is because I've been trying to find another flip car. I bid it on 2 separate other cars, ended up losing them back to back. So it's just been basically a waiting game and a winning game, trying to find a new flip car from Copart. But yeah, we got one in today. I'm waiting on a tow truck driver now. He should be here in about 2 hours or something like that. So yeah, I had to come over here to Walmart and get me a new vlogging kit because I ended up leaving my last one in the last flip car, which was the Mazda. And I'll throw some pictures now on how that looked. And yeah, man, the Mazda turned out good. We made some good money on it, and now we're on to the next, man. But this is not gonna be my personal car. The 2 cars that I did bid on before this one were gonna be my personal car, but as I told you, I lost them. So we're just gonna get one more in, throw it out there, and yeah, see what it does. So enough of me talking. We're gonna wait on the tow truck driver to get here, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Let's get it, man. So now I'm up here at the meeting location. I'm just waiting on the driver with the new whip. So today is day 2 because he capped on me yesterday. Typical dispatch, you know, they cap on you, they give you wrong dates, wrong times, typical stuff, man. So yeah, now I'm just sitting here waiting on him at the meeting location, and he should be here within, I say, at least 30 minutes. And I'm also got a locksmith pulling up too because the car doesn't have a key. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get a locksmith on that, and yeah, we're gonna see if this car will run too. So we don't know if it runs, we don't know if it has engine damage, we don't know. So we're gonna see when he gets here, and we're gonna get this thing started, man. We're gonna see. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and wait some more for the tow truck driver to get here, man. That truck? Yeah, that truck is old, right? He ain't gonna be able to pull. I don't know why he went that way. There she is, y'all. I see that Hemi thing. I'm gonna go up with you. You from Charlotte?
Yeah.
Seen that area code, I said that's Charlotte right there.
Yeah, I mean your number.
That SRTA hood. Oh.
You have to be like me, man.
Let's see. Oh no, this is being a little bit. It sheared the boat though for sure. Need a new sway bar link. No power?
No, I need the internet. Open internet.
So you guys, we did end up getting the car off the shrunken trailer, but I had to come over to Walmart to get a battery because that battery in the charger is completely toast. So we're gonna get up back over there and put this thing in. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of the charger because I haven't really got to show you guys yet. So yeah, we might go ahead and get back home and get this thing installed, man. So let's head on home. Let me see you do something. God All right, y'all, so here it is. As like I was saying in the beginning, it's a 2009 Dodge Charger RT Hemi 5.7. It's not an SRT8, it just has a OEM SRT8 hood on it, but it's just a plain Hemi, no SRT8. As you can see, it's got some brand new Delante tires all the way around, which I'm greatly appreciative of. I got to get the locksmith to come back out here because the key doesn't unlock the door, so I'm gonna have to get him to come back out here and fix that tomorrow or some days. So yeah, but as you can see in the interior, we do have a dash bag and a steering wheel bag blown. Good thing I already have those parts in the garage waiting, except for the steering wheel bag, but I got the whole dashboard waiting for me. But yeah, it was just really a front end hit. I got these two fenders, I got a bumper, and these headlights, man. I got something. Hey, I ain't even gonna speak too much. Man. I'm gonna just leave it right there. But yeah, here's the damage. The goddamn sheared the bolt right out of the lower control arm. So we got to get a new bolt for that. Put that back up there. Probably get a new lower control arm too. So I know that's all the way straight. As you can see, the car was red and it was painted like this. I would say like a gunmetal gray, metallic gray kind of color. So yeah, that's not gonna be too hard to match back up to the front. So all I gotta do is find some gray paint that looks just like this. I'm probably take the gas cap off just to match the paint up. Got some, I think those are either 5-inch or 4-inch tips. I'm not too sure about that. And underneath it has some carving exhaust mufflers or resonators. I think those are resonators. Those are resonators. And they're called carving, so I'm gonna have to look those up, see what those are about. But it has resonators, so it has a muffler delete, resonator delete, and it has the factory cats and stuff like that, I think, still. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at that once I get to the crib. But yeah, here it is. Here's a walk around of it. I'm gonna let you guys see a little bit more once I get it started and get to the crib. Well, actually, I'm gonna let y'all see me started and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and get this trunk popped and we're gonna get started this thing. So let's get it. All right, y'all, so I don't got the charger in the garage, as you can hear. That be rumbling, man. This thing loud for a little RT. God damn, as you can see, got some lights on the dash, of course, because we do got damage down here. As I showed y'all once before, we do got damage down here, and the power steering pump is leaking, so yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that as well. And that's pretty much all the damage, honestly. I mean, the radiator port's pushed back a little bit, but I'm gonna pull that up, so it's nothing. Got the SRT8 hood that I'm gonna fix. We not gonna get rid of this. We're gonna keep this. All it is a little bend right here and a little sun right there. And yeah, man, that's it. We're gonna keep the SRT8 hood. And then remember I was telling y'all about these headlights, man? God, these the ones you want on the first gen Chargers right here. God damn. Telling you, they're the ones you want on this body. Them other ones with the full CDRL, them not it no more. These it right here, I'm telling you. With the SRT8 hood, man, you shitting. I cannot lie, man. But let me pop the hood for y'all. I don't even know if I let y'all see under the hood yet. I don't even know if I'll let y'all see what's under that bad boy yet, but look. Got dang cold air, Corsa cold air intake. You can't really see it right now because it's dark, but it got a Corsa cold air intake. This motor sound healthy, man. Got a brand new water pump down there, as you can see. I mean, man, this thing sounds so healthy. It's got a brand new transmission in it because I did a Carfax on it, and then Amico transmission in what's that place called? Alabama. Replaced it, so should be all right. And yeah, man, that's about it. Nice little RT motherfucker. I can't wait to push this little thing, see what it's working with. I don't know if anything done to it or not, so hey man, we gonna see. But oh, let me show y'all the other side. And look at this weird shit I found out. A fucking whole broken sunroof. Like, how does that even happen? I gotta buy another sunroof, man. But here's the back end with them big old exhaust tips. Come on, man. Got the chrome 20 inches on there. And yeah, there's no other damage to this car, man. Like, it's ready to go. All I gotta do is fix the stuff and it'll be ready to go. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all think I should put the OEM headlights back on here or keep these one on here? I really want to keep these one on here. Well, we gonna see, man. We gonna see, man. Only time to tell. But yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do with the car yet. So yeah, man. I guess I'll just catch y'all in the next clip or catch y'all in the next video. But I almost forgot to show y'all the parts I had ended up picking up from the local pull-apart. Got the front bumper right here, and it's in perfect condition. It's been repainted before, but it's the same color red though still, so it's in excellent condition. It's the same color red. This literally right here, same color red. So that's why I got the red bumpers. If you guys were wondering, if you see them in the background. Up here, I have the dashboard out of the same car. No bags deployed or nothing like that. The airbag is in here. Hold on. So yeah, do got the bag in there. What else? And then they got the two fenders right here. So passenger and driver side fenders. So, and they're all the same. Everything is the same color. So once they pop the hood, whoever decides to buy this, you'll see that the fenders are still the same color and stuff like that. The hood, even though this is an SRT hood, it must came out for red SRT. This is the same color red as what's underneath everything else too. So hey, we just gonna run it how it is, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all like this new pickup I just got, and I hope y'all ready to watch the rebuild series on this car. And yeah, just stay tuned for the next video, man. It should be out in about a week, so yeah, just stay tuned, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one. My J out. Peace.